Now what happened? Till this time, whatever you people see is nothing but an exception that Python detects. The Python detects. Now look at this. Try variable is equal to 10. If variable is greater than 5, rise index error. You tell me, is it actually index error? No, but still I'm raising it. That's it. Print. Sorry. So basically what rise is a statement in exception where you can use it kind of if statement. So whenever you want some statement to be used separately in except the block, you can raise your own exception. Okay, it is like the same if statement. What is if statement? When you want to write certain set of code based upon some condition, that's where you go for if. Same thing. You can use this raise method to send some flows to the exception block, and you can do some operation on the exception block. So this is what rise is all about. You can still rise. There you see. The error has been raised and it reaches the exception block. Okay. This is what raising an exception. The point to be noted here is that please don't do this when you are doing the exception. They'll ask you, what is the output for this? So don't compare the previous concept. All the previous concept, whatever we discussed, 30 minutes by now, is or all where belongs to the error which was identified by the system, that your Python. But this is not the system identified error. This is something that you raised. Correct. This index error is something that you people raised it, right? If you raised, you cannot expect the system to throw the actual meaning. There you see, output is empty. This is what important. They'll ask you, will you throw an error? They'll give option. Option A, it throws error. Option B, no output. You should select no output. So this is where you should have the clarity. Okay. Of course, if I give you the laptop, you people will write and you will understand and you can rectify the error. But it is not the case. It is not the same case on the interview, right? In interview, you cannot predict, you cannot assess what kind of a question that people may ask you. Okay. So in general, what is the point? I want you people to get prepared for whatever that comes in your way. Okay. So this is what. If you still want this to have some sort of meaning, what you have to do? You the people who's actually doing the rising. You are only rising, right? So while rising itself, you define the meaning of it. This is user raised exception. That's it. Now you can catch it. There is. Since you are only raising, right? You itself define a meaning for that exception. You can use it. This is what a rise exception. So point is that rise, you can raise any exception, but the exception name should be the general Python known exception. Index error, arithmetic error, IO error, zeroation error, type error, so on. So, and you cannot get the meaning using as directly because it is not something Python detected error. It is something that you are raising it. You are driving an error, even though there is no error. Okay.